Hello students, good morning. Today in this video we are going to learn standard 7 social science and chapter number 8, that is Delhi Sultanate, otherwise Delhi during the medieval period. And we have already like you know now very well that medieval matlab middle age or middle period. And as far as this chapter is concerned, in the previous two videos we have already completed the slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, and we have already completed Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, Tughlaq dynasty we have already completed. So now it should be very much clear to you. Now today in this video we are going to start one new point, that is a Hindu kingdom of Vijayanagar. Up to now we had discussed about the Delhi and Delhi Sultanate, and in that we have completed three dynasty which were there. So first of all slave dynasty, then Khilji dynasty and Tughlaq dynasty. But during that same time one Hindu kingdom was also there, okay, and that kingdom was Vijayanagar. So who established this Vijayanagar, who was founder of that, and in which situations this kingdom was established and started, so that we have to learn in this video. So during the Sultanate periods, there were attempts to establish authority over South India. We have already discussed, and still I am telling to you that these three dynasty, matlab we have slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty and Tughlaq dynasty. And if we are talking about Delhi Sultanate, so these are the part of North India. Don't get confused in it. In North India these things will happen, but during the same period and during that same era, one attempt, okay, so many attempts were there to establish the authority matlab power, okay, over South India. So that is very important, because these were the part of North India, and at the same time some efforts or attempts were done by the kings, okay, to establish their power over the South India. Alauddin Khilji was the first ruler to launch an attack. He carried away enormous wealth from Devgiri. So Devgiri, that was a part of South India. And who first time attacked on South India? So during that Delhi Sultanate, Alauddin Khilji, we know very well, okay, Jalaluddin Khilji was the founder of Khilji dynasty. Then after, his nephew and even we can say son-in-law who became the king, that was Alauddin Khilji, and he launched an attack. वो attack करते हैं कहाँ पे? So Devgiri. Why? To carried away enormous wealth, मतलब too much wealth. Remember one thing during that time, okay, earlier if we are talking about Gupta Empire or Maurya dynasty, okay, so they were very rich, okay, उन लोगों का जो kingdom था वो बहुत ज़्यादा rich था, and that was a reason कि जो अरेबिक people है या तो foreigner है वो इंडिया के ऊपर attack करते थे. The best example was घोरी, मोहम्मद घोरी, जिसने इंडिया के ऊपर 17 टाइम क्या किया था, अटैक किया था. Okay, what was the reason, what was the aim? सो लूट करना. तो यहाँ पे भी देवगिरी में अलाउद्दीन खिलजी जो है वो फर्स्ट टाइम क्या करते हैं, अटैक करते हैं. एंड व्हाट वाज द रीज़न? टू कैरिड अवे द वेल्थ. सब्सिक्वेंटली मलिक काफूर डिस्ट्रॉयड द किंगडम ऑफ वारंगल. सो दिस वारंगल जो है दैट वाज आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ साउथ इंडिया. ओके, लेटर ऑन इन upcoming standards you will get the information in detail about Warangal. Okay, Kaktiya dynasty, Warangal. Okay, I am writing here Kaktiya. So that was the part of Warangal. So मलिक काफूर जो है वो डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं. किसको? तो वारंगल का जो किंगडम है उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करना. डिस्ट्रॉय करना मतलब नाश करना, एंड करना. The condition of South India worst during the time of Muhammad Tughlaq. What was the reason? In Tughlaq dynasty the condition was very critical and very poor in the South India, because they continuously attacked on the part of South India, and what they did, so carried away the enormous wealth. Simultaneously the Hindu empire of Vijayanagar and Bahmani Sultanate were also established in South India. Means during these time only we know very well that Muhammad Tughlaq continuously attacked on Delhi matlab in the part of South India. So during that same period, one more empire was arise, that is the Hindu Empire. Okay, and what was the name? So Vijayanagar and Bahmani Sultanate were also established in South India. Means during that same time, like during the Delhi Sultanate period, more two like kingdoms and sultanate arise, that was Hindu Empire of Vijayanagar and Bahmani Sultanate. Okay, which was established in South India. कौन सी आती है? तो विजयनगर, that is Hindu Empire, and Bahmani Sultanate. After the defeat of the ruler of Warangal, the two brothers of Jadhav clan, clan मतलब a group, okay, कोड जिसको हम बोलेंगे, हरिहर एंड बुक्का established the Vijayanagar Kingdom under the inspiration of Swami Vidyaran. Okay, so what happened? Defeat of ruler of Warangal. Defeat होना मतलब हार हो जाना, loss हो जाना, lose. Okay, loss. वारंगल के जो भी किंग्स थे और जो किंगडम था वो डिफीट हो गया. उसके बाद टू ब्रदर्स, एक आपको याद रखना है, हरिहर राय एंड वन इज बुक्का राय, वो विजयनगर किंगडम के एस्टेब्लिश करते हैं इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ स्वामी विद्यारण्य. स्वामी विद्यारण्य की इंस्पिरेशन से वो लोग एक हिंदू किंगडम दैट इज़ विजयनगर वो एस्टेब्लिश करते हैं. हु इज एस्टेब्लिशर ऑफ विजयनगर और हिंदू किंगडम? सो हरिहर राय एंड बुक्का राय. डोंट फॉरगेट, एंड विद द इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ स्वामी विद्यारण्य. ओके, clear? So who started or who established the Hindu kingdom Vijayanagar? So two rulers. Okay, what was the name? Both were brothers of Jadhav clan, मतलब जादव कुल के दो ब्रदर. व्हाट वाज द नेम? हरिहर राय एंड बुक्का राय. वो विजयनगर किंगडम एस्टेब्लिश करते हैं एंड विद द इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ स्वामी विद्यारण्य. आफ्टर द डिफीट ऑफ द रूलर ऑफ वारंगल, two brothers of Jadhav clan, Harihar and Bukka, established the Vijayanagar kingdom under the inspiration of Swami Vidyaranya. The Vijayanagar kingdom was established in the south of the Tungabhadra river in 1336 CE. So that is also very important, that Vijayanagar kingdom was established on the river bank of which river? So Tungabhadra. And in which like century? So in 12th century, beginning of 12th, 13th century, that is 1336 CE. Who established? So Harihar Rai and Bukka Rai. They both were the brothers of which clan? So Jadhav clan, and with whose inspiration? So Swami Vidyaranya. Okay, and on the river bank of Tungabhadra river, 1336 CE. Within a short period of 8 years, the kingdom was extended from river Tungabhadra to Kanyakumari. So we are talking about south part. ये this one is north and this one is south. तो south में तुंगभद्रा रिवर बैंक पे वो एस्टेब्लिश होता है एंड कन्याकुमारी मतलब द एंड पॉइंट जो सदर्न पॉइंट है, सदर्न लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज कन्याकुमारी, वहाँ तक वो एक्सटेंड हो जाता है विद इन 8 years. मीन्स इन 1336 CE में एस्टेब्लिश होता है. देन विद इन 8 year मीन्स +8, सो 8 + 6 14, 1 कैरी, सो 4 1 3. सो 1344 तक उन लोगों का जो भी किंगडम है वो कहाँ तक एक्सटेंड हो जाता है? फ्रॉम रिवर तुंगभद्रा टू कन्याकुमारी. बुक्का असेंडेड द थ्रोन आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हरिहर, मतलब हरिहर राय वॉज द एल्डर ब्रदर. ओके, और हरिहर की डेथ हो जाने के बाद हु असेंडेड द थ्रोन? सो बुक्का राय असेंडेड द थ्रोन, एंड बोथ बिलोंग टू विच क्लेन? जादव क्लेन, एंड बोथ वर ब्रदर्स. He ascended being weak. A new dynasty came to power. Or two brothers, they both were the powerful king. Who were they? So Harihar Rai and Bukka Rai. So Harihar Rai was the first ruler of Hindu kingdom Vijayanagar. ओके, विजयनगर. और हरिहर राय की डेथ के बाद उसका ब्रदर है बुक्का राय, वो थ्रोन को एसेंड करता है. एंड बुक्का राय के बाद जो भी डिसेंडेंट थे दे वो वीक, और वहाँ पे ये जो हिंदू किंगडम है विजयनगर वो फिनिश हो जाता है और एक न्यू डायनेस्टी है वो पावर में आती है। Krishnadev was powerful ruler of this dynasty. Means we have to remember three names of Vijayanagar, or we can say Hindu kingdom, which were there. Harihar Rai first, then after Bukkarai his brother, and one more king, that was Krishnadev Rai. He was a powerful ruler of this dynasty and this was a part of South India. और कंटिन्यूसली वो टाइम पे साउथ इंडिया पे कौन अटैक कर रहे थे, तो तुगलक डायनेस्टी, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी डायनेस्टी एंड तुगलक। देन आफ्टर व्हाट हैपन, साउथ इंडिया में एक कंस्टेंट न्यू जो है वो एक क्या होता है, एक एम्पायर अराइज होता है, एंड दैट एम्पायर और वी कैन से हिंदू किंगडम विजयनगर who established so two brothers, they were belonging to Jadhav clan. What was the name of brothers? So Harihar Rai and Bukka Rai, and with the inspiration of Swami Vidyaranya. Okay, then first comes Harihar Rai और उसके डेथ के बाद Bukka Rai comes on the throne, and then after धीरे 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 करके जो सारे अपकमिंग मतलब जो नेक्स्ट रूलर्स थे they were very weak, और जो पावरफुल रूलर था ये डायनेस्टी का वो कौन था, कृष्णदेव राय. So that is also very important and you have to remember. Krishnadev Rai's rule flourished in South India. Flourished होना मतलब खिलना, rise होना. He had good relations with the Europeans and was a lover of the art and literature. So from here also the question is that during the Hindu Empire Vijayanagar, which or who was the lover of art and literature? So Krishnadev Rai was the lover of art and literature, and during his time this rule flourished in the South India, मतलब famous बना, and even he had the good relations with the European also. He constructed canals in the South India with the help of an engineer called योमक और योम की हेल्प से उसने कैनाल्स स्टार्ट करवाए. कहाँ पे, साउथ इंडिया. हु वॉज इंजीनियर. सो योमक और योम. फॉरेन ट्रेवलर्स हु विजिटेड विजयनगर हैव एप्रिसिएटेड इट्स ग्रैंडियर. देयर वर ग्रैंड टेम्पल्स एंड फोर्ट्स इन द किंगडम. और जितने भी फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स वहाँ पे आए तो विजयनगर को अप्रिसिएट किया. एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम विजयनगर में जो टेम्पल्स और फोर्ट्स जो थे they were very grand. Grand मतलब huge temples और even forts भी थे. This glorious state was destroyed in the battle of तालीकोटा. और ये glorious मतलब एकदम important we can say like gold जैसा जो glorious था, important place था, flourish था, well flourished था, वो कौन सी बैटल में डिस्ट्रॉयड हो गया, तो तालीकोटा का बैटल हुआ और उसमें क्या हो गया, ये जो पूरा स्टेट है, विच स्टेट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, सो विजयनगर, वो क्या हो जाता है, डिस्ट्रॉयड हो जाता है. डिस्ट्रॉयड होना मतलब एंड हो जाना, नाश हो जाना. और यहाँ से ये जो विजयनगर है वो भी क्या हो गया, एंड हो गया. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, इन नॉर्थ इंडिया किसने एस्टैब्लिश किया, सो टू ब्रदर्स हरिहर राय एंड बुक्का राय. फर्स्ट कम हरिहर राय, देन बुक्का राय एंड देन कृष्णदेव राय. और वो कौन से क्लेन के थे, तो यादव क्लेन के, बोथ वर द ब्रदर्स. एंड दे एस्टैब्लिश हिंदू एम्पायर विजयनगर ऑन विच रिवर बैंक, सो तुंगभद्रा रिवर के बैंक पे उन लोगों ने ये जो एम्पायर है विजयनगर वो एस्टैब्लिश किया. Then after Krishnadev Rai was one of the important ruler of Vijayanagar dynasty. He was a lover of art and literature, and even he had good relations with the Europeans, and he constructed the canals with the help of yomak or yom. और फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स जो भी आते थे they appreciated विजयनगर, and even we can see grand temples and forts in the kingdom of Vijayanagar. And then after इन द बैटल ऑफ टालीकोटा, ये जो ग्लोरियस स्टेट है विजयनगर उस वो क्या हो गया, डिस्ट्रॉयड हो गया. सो आई होप दिस विजयनगर किंगडम एंड द इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज़ गिवन टू यू दैट इज़ क्लियर टू यू, बट स्टिल you have any confusion, so you can write in comment box. I'll try to solve your problems and doubts. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.